Good morning, kids. Welcome to Kids Station. Are you ready to read your Bible? In 3, 2, 1.
Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. Psalms 91, 11, and 12. For he shall give his angels charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone.
Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Ephraim Asenas.